Hello everyone. So hope you are doing good. So in this video, we will be covering the career guidance that we are getting. So we are getting many emails related to career guidance, and we will be working on one more guidance related query that has been asked to us in an email. So let us see that particular query. Okay, and before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit a like, share, and subscribe our channel. So here is the question. So, hi sir, I am a great fan of your videos on YouTube. I need a valuable advice from you with my career in my testing profession. I have more than 10 years of experience as a test engineer and worked with many projects as permanent and contract roles in London. I am so busy working with manual automation but did not get exposure to get into automation. Now, most of the roles are in automation only, and with my experience, I can go with test lead manager roles, but the automation is a drawback for me. Please advise me if I have to learn automation to progress into test lead managerial roles. If yes, shall I learn C Sharp with SpecFlow or Java with Selenium or Cypress with JavaScript? As so many companies are asking with so many different technologies. Okay, so let's address the first part of the query and then we'll go into the second part. So first part of the query is with my experience, I can go with test lead manager roles, but the automation is a drawback for me. So when you are working as a test lead or a test manager, you are not supposed to write the code, but your responsibility would be to take care from the architecture point of view, to take care from the feasibility point of view. So when I say feasibility, so how much that automation framework is feasible with respect to the application that you are automating, how much that automation framework will be maintainable, or how much is that scalable with respect to applications that you have got. So you don't have to write the code explicitly, but you will be responsible for reviewing the code. So let's say if someone is asking you to review their code, then you should be able to provide the feedback or suggestions. If someone is giving you some kind of estimation that I would take this 5 days or I would take 4 days for automating this particular user story, then you should be able to judge that whether his or her estimation is correct or not. You should be able to make a call at that time, okay, that this person is not fooling me, he's giving a correct estimation. So, as a test lead or manager, you have to ensure that the team works in the correct direction and they are productive enough. Let's say if they are working 8 hours, they are productive enough that the 8 hours output is being visible, right? So, such kind of things will play a vital role. But yes, you will have to learn automation and learn the basics of automation, right? You won't be asked to write the automated scripts. And then if you are asking which one to learn, which one should you start with, C Sharp with SpecFlow or Java with Selenium or Cypress with JavaScript? So I would suggest you can go for Java with Selenium and then Cypress with JavaScript. So Java with Selenium is in demand. Many of the frameworks are built on this particular technology itself, and Cypress with JavaScript is also in demand, but it is not as much as you have Java. But it does not mean that you have to learn all the programming languages like C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python, everything. No, learn one programming language and be at best for that. So whenever you are having the framework kind of thing which is built in another programming language, you never know in which company you get hired. So you should be able to correlate the things. So learn one programming language, learn 70 to 80%. Again, 100% something is not possible. So learn 70 to 80%. You should have a very good grip on the concepts of programming language, and then automatically you can go for automation as well. Once you learn programming language, then it will not be difficult to implement those programming languages into the automation, right? So it's important. So you have asked, please advise me if I have to learn automation to progress into test lead manager roles. So again, you don't have to learn automation to progress into test lead or manager roles. Automatically, based on the experience, you would be given those kind of roles of a test lead or test manager. But let's say if any of your team member gets stuck in some kind of automation script that they are developing, then you will have to guide them. In order to guide them, you would need that particular knowledge, right? So test lead, test manager roles is something that will come to you with the number of years of experience and skills you would need with respect to the guidance that you have to provide to your team members if they get stuck anywhere, right? So this was about this particular email address. And if any of you is willing to give mock interviews, then you can share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. You can also send your career guidance related queries at this particular email address. So we will be consolidating these particular queries and we will be making a video on this. So don't worry, your names or your identity will not be revealed while making videos. And you can come forward and you can get this kind of query resolution, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.